Hello, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making chocolate brownie bite cookies. These cookies are really quick and easy to make. It's not a lot of effort, so let's get started. In a bowl, you're going to add a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix that up a bit once you get it in there. Make sure you don't have any lumps in your sugar, and you want to mix the chocolate through. To this, you are going to add a half a cup of melted butter. Again, mix that around a bit. Try to incorporate it as you go along. To this, we are adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. As you're going along and mixing this up, you do want to scrape the sides of your bowl periodically to get in whatever is being stuck to the side. You want to make sure it mixes in. Now to this, we're going to add an egg. Make sure you break up that yolk all the way through as you're mixing. To this, you're going to add at least 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we want to get this completely mixed up before we add anything dry to it. So mix it up thoroughly, scrape your sides, and make sure you get everything down into there, because you don't want anything sticking to the sides of your bowl. Right, in a separate bowl, you want to put in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, to this you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and go ahead and mix this up completely because you want to get it all mixed through. Definitely do not want the salt all in one place. Once you get it completely mixed and you feel that you completely got this done, then we're going to go ahead and pour this into the original wet mixture. And you can pour it in a bit at a time if you want to actually keep control of it as you're mixing it up. It might be the smarter choice to do. So that way it's easier to keep adding a little at a time and not have the whole thing to try to mix at once. So as you're mixing through your flour, make sure that everything gets mixed in, incorporated, and you'll know this by the time you scrape the sides of your bowl and everything in this starts looking like a big bowl of chocolate. So as you can see with mine, as the mixture keeps going, it becomes more and more brown. Does take a minute to do this, so don't worry about it. It will get there eventually. Now once you're completely mixed up, you are going to add in 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and then 1/4 cup of pecans. Once you get them in there, then you want to stir these through, making sure you get them completely mixed through your dough, because when you go to make the cookies, you want to make sure it's kind of distributed on each one, so each part of the cookie has at least something in it, either chocolate chip, nut, or whatever. You want to at this point preheat your oven to 350 to 360 degrees depending on if your oven runs cold or hot. You want to make that decision on how hot you want it to be. And when you put these in, you're going to bake these for at least about 12 minutes. So you're going to roll these into balls and put them side by side onto your cookie sheet. And when they come out of the oven, they're going to look something like this. They're meant to stay more of a mound, not a flat cookie. You want them kind of have a little shape to these because they look like brownie bites this way. So there you have it. Chocolate Brownie Bite Cookies. I hope you enjoy this recipe because this is something I really like. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you the next time.